While the Toolpath dialog box is open, you can now interact with your part in the graphics window in Mastercam 2022. This includes the ability to adjust the view, make changes in the Planes Manager and Levels Manager, access the Analyze functions, and blank or hide entities. This helps you save time by gathering the necessary information from your part without closing and reopening the Toolpath dialog box. For example, you can use Analyze Dynamic to review your part while on the Steep Shallow page of a 3D high-speed raster toolpath. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.